party and celebrate life. Tune in the next sound studio tonight. It's live at 8 with the hottest in the state. So tell a friend you wanna take them out of space, so they can unplug to a new level with different artists who take it to a new level. And you never know what you're gon' get. And you never know what you're gon' get. You might get rock or you might get rap. You might get R&B with the boom bap. You might get a band or you might wanna dance bachata. I just know every week's gonna be a shocker. And it's a party for the world, for little boys, little girls, for everybody. If you came to party, if you came to party, if you came to get down tonight, get down tonight. We going live tonight, live from the next sound.
Are you high?
No.
No, come back.
My fucking hips are fall.
It's 1:30 p.m. on a Sunday.
FlyXo going crazy.
Two fucking points. 5 p.m. somewhere in
Yeah.
the world. You only film me when I'm intoxicated.
Yeah.
That's not true.
Y'all ready?
You're sober.
January 8th.
You looking like a real bad time, flexing with your girls, but you sure ain't doing fine now. You looking like a real bad time, yeah, a real bad time. You looking like a real bad time, telling all your girls, yeah, he ain't on my mind now. You looking like a real bad time, yeah, a real bad time. I'm so happy I left that shit back in the past. I ain't going back to trash. I don't need to put up with that. I got this and I got that. I got bottles next to racks. I got homies in the back with your friends, and that is that. You look like you mad, yeah, that poker face is trash. And my boys just got a bag, buying bottles you can't have. Yeah, we petty with our pennies, even though that we got plenty. And this bitch look like she trending with the topic showing plenty. Oh, okay, you right, my bad, I'm fine. That lover boy shit was only for the other night. I guess we cool, wanna smash right now, cause I ain't wasting any more time or announce on you, cause I know what you're doing in the bathroom, messing up the plastic with the bad new. Bloody noses are the new casual. Yeah. You looking like a real bad time, flexing with your girls, but you sure ain't doing fine now. You looking like a real bad time, yeah, a real bad time. You looking like a real bad time, telling all your girls, yeah, he ain't on my mind now. You looking like a real bad time, yeah, a real bad time, yeah. A real bad time.
We going up, shorty, we going in. Shorty hit trying cut. I told shorty bring a friend. Shorty, you trying win, or shorty, you trying play? If shorty bout the bag, she do whatever I say. Shorty, we going up, up. Shorty, we going up, up. Shorty, we going up. Shorty, we going in. Shorty, get to the bag. I promise we gon' win. Shorty, we going up, up. Shorty, we going up, up. Shorty, we going up. Shorty, we going in. Shorty, get to the bag. I promise we gon' win. Shorty, we go.
I don't never do shit half-ass as you were. Thrown that heavy betting on that black as you were. You gotta deal, you gotta deal, you gotta deal, you gotta clock it. Watch your six, don't get out of pocket. Hot orange that's the look. As you were, looking good, flaming cheddar in your hood. As you were, you got a deal, you got a deal, you got a deal, you got to clock it. Watch your six, don't get out of pocket. Cutting teeth, chewing off heads when they're toothless. Never was the plug, I'm the drug. It's just stupid when I was getting used. Never felt like I was useless. Not your way they bang, but they don't really bang out. It's just noise and it's really cat. Nothing changed now. Little chocolate, little butterscotch for the mat. You gon' bite the apple, make the whole world mad. Nothing miss between the butt and the lip. X-Y chromosome and really spitting privilege. I was born April Fool, they don't suffer like me. Heavyweight player can't suffer fools like Lee. Yeah, fool's game had me run the fool's every twice. Foolproof now, black, had a fool's paradise. I don't ever do shit, half-ass as you were. Don't that heavy betting on that black as you were. You got a deal, you got a deal, you got a deal, you got to clock it. Watch your six, don't get out of pocket. Hot orange, that's the look. As you were, looking good, flaming cheddar in your hood. As you were, you got a deal, you got a deal, you got a deal, you got to clock it. Watch your six, don't get out of pocket. 1 foot followed by the other. Ferragamo on it, switch it up. They can see you coming when it's time study. Never fronted, they don't really love them in the back though. When I attack, don't be bashful. Get the strap, bro. Wildin' over lies, different energy. IRL, you know the vibes. Heavy with the smoke till the fire smell. I don't dwell, put it in your mouth, nigga. I can yell. Rona got him full of excuses when it's time to bail. And I don't really do electronic blocks. I don't really got the time to rock. Pull up, make the body drop. Tryna cop the ounce round the corner if it's not about. If I die tonight, scream my name if it's about a cop. This is Matter Sheen, you ain't know nothing before it. This is Gladys Billy, I don't force you to endorse it. I rusted with busting nuts with the way I'm built. I don't party much, so you know I gotta play the field. I don't ever do shit, half-ass as you were. Don't that heavy betting on that black as you were. You got a deal, you got a deal, you got a deal, you got to clock it. Watch your six, don't get out of pocket. Hot orange, that's the look. As you were, looking good, flavor cheddar in your hood. As you were, you got a deal, you got a deal, you got a deal, you got to clock it. Watch your six, don't get out of pocket. Ayy, ayy. Head used to rest in the 757 till I started getting head in the 757. Man, every the night with the prenup. Once I got over the bump, I was done giving lumps up. This a different cut. This is pure Eddie Murphy raw. Flawless, they stuck mud slinging with them dirty claw jabs. Nigga gon' flip when I cock back, yeah. Nigga gon' drop on contact, yeah. When you hella nice and benevolent, yeah. You gon' keep the hater on a relevant age. Keep him looking corny for indefinite. On record, off record, every record then now. Ringing bells like church, so it's resting in now. Bringing you the rapture and the reckoning. Ain't nobody woke, this is all a bad dream. Cloud 9 cool whip, and you getting that cream. How I'm tipping is as lit as it seems. Batting average on the milli, out of y'all league, ayy. Ayy. What we saying, the real peasy in these streets, the real peasy in these streets, yeah, biatch.
If you're an independent artist watching this and you want to be a part of this movement, send your music links to Next Sound Studio NYC@gmail.com or DM Next Sound Studio on Instagram.
Check out David Sosa's latest hits, beginning with Ocean Fire, featuring Livin. When that situationship is just too real, toxic. Figure out what you want with, let me know. And can't forget that self-love with Laugh. Check out David Sosa's latest album, Journey to Love, available on all music streaming platforms.
Time forever, it's just dreams, but there's no love lost for me. There's no love lost for me. You and me, we had tension. The kind of make you want attention. That could progress into something I shouldn't mention. Avoided infidelity, but you voiced that I had keys without words. Combination was heavenly. Wouldn't have lasted if you insisted. I'd be lying if I told you I wasn't interested. One time I came close, but I resisted. Didn't hit and wreck your home, so I missed it. But only by your hair, let's be fair. Music was our love.
you just wake up one day and decide that you were just gonna change your whole life? That I did everything wrong and you're right. Don't you think we deserve a fight? I close my eyes and I blink twice. This can't be real and I think why it hurt my pride. Cause it's not fair, I'm slowly dying. You don't mind it, cause you don't feel I put my time in. We made progress. How could the person I gave all of my love to just throw it away? Throw it away. How could the person I loved and gave my heart to just throw it away? Throw it away. How could you throw it away? Throw it away, throw it away, throw it away. How could the person I gave all of my love to just throw it away? Throw it away. How could the person I gave all of my love to just throw it away? Throw it away. My heart, she threw it away. My love, she threw it away. My time, yes, she threw it away. Our love, she threw it away. Everything we built, this happy home we built, she threw it away. Yes. How could the person I gave all of my love to just throw it away? Throw it away. How could the person I gave all of my heart just throw it away? Throw it away.
When it's like this, tell me that you like it. Why you hiding, boy, come and find it. Wanna try it, got you all excited. Cause baby, when it's like this, I know that you like it.
Hair is on fleek and my dress is fitting right. We showed up, it's 1:15, but in the
He gon' bang on whistle. Nigga might find a issue. Life is blind with issues. In the ring box with issues. Bottle wouldn't bang, no issues. Rain on rainbow issues. Lost face makes you wild. Covered in game, I'm jotting. Told the feet no Rocky. Flip a brick, let her roll, no problems. Run around town looking for mistakes. Too many niggas in the colors. Glock with a beam on a hunted chick. Need money for my dream to resuscitate. Hit him with a big mo patch from the east side. Told him okay. Brain on ease cause my boy got the K. Rapper with bling, better stay out my way. Hit him with the
he might see it my way. Keys to success, trap don't lose. Chain on chain, got me feeling like woo. Big rock on my neck in the swing. Cause I started a couple things when they came up, but things times hard. Got a set of rain and some things, yeah. Got a 40 Glock with the beam, yeah. Break it down, our scheme for the cream, yeah. Knock it down, leads go for the win. Blow 4-4, that's a hoe, yeah. She betting on the play for the blow, yeah. Life is too much for the toy, yeah. She died. I seen it be dead in my head when I sleep. From a pop from a man with dread and gold teeth with a coke 4 that blow like a freak. These demons can't wait to see a nigga like me. It's peace in the street, but ain't 8 all week. And it's heat in the street for a nigga like me. It's beat on Pete, gotta say it when I preach. Soaking up game when I hang with the G. You ever been inside of a trap house trying to get your money right? Methods to maintain came from the funny type ends in the block that's rigged, that's a dirty. Picking up the blame with the shame, we gon' run tonight. Hopes in museum if you run the right. Jesus said, please feel me, cause I'm dummy tight. Saying, come on, mouth wide open as the sunlight. And the nigga just maintains, cause you love me right. My brain said, choose this. It ain't no change, cause it's moving. New trap house is hitting. Aim in the game, stay written. Nas told us it was written. He close by, but it's hitting. Pac said, I'm first, I'm Bishop. Base hopes and dreams on wishes. But I keep my mind on the misses. Hanging with a fool, only knocks down your whiz. Cut apart something, it's hard to be against. Most of us grow up broke in the system. Government aid, free lunch to assist. Papa serving work, and he cooking in the kitchen. Your mama in the den with the Bible trying to cleanse. Police outside about to riot trying to get him. Associate depend on the with him. Chopping with the ops with the block trying to bury it. Nigga preach outside, in and out. You a scary nigga hood in the game, both the same, trying to bury it. Make it out the block 25, it's fair. Niggas wild, it seems like whoa. And goals gon' grow. Some come fast, some come slow. Just so you know, yeah. Looking at my rear view, I'm so high. Breaking down a quarter piece, I'm down to 25. Thinking of a twist, almost out of time. Jump on first deal, homie told me sign. Wake up, screaming like a breakup. Came front one smart as a cup. Young blood still trying to slang up. Just trying to get his weight up. Before blast he said wait up. Call homie back, we made up. You always trying to play cuz, then blam. Feel my soul's coming out my chest. Worried about my family being stressed. Going up to guess, nigga blessed. Beating God, I hope he's just a guess. What to say for me to pass the test. Tell him how we came from having less. How it sucks not to have success. And money comes to those who nevertheless. My thoughts are to aim, tame, and train. For Lord forgive me what's all in my brain. I cried to help to them, sound like excuse. Get an extra feet of road. Come with the news. Pat on the back of the whips, leaving the bruises. Ass in my lap, making me choose this. Lord, you put me through the wildest test. But I'm still blessed. 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 I'm still blessed.
Need a time out, searching for a night out, trying to escape some things. Call my girls up, hey boo, what's up? Won't you come hang with me?
Here at Next Sound Studio, it's gonna be a couple of laughs because we know Will B. Walker has the same sense of humor as me. It's going to be a professional environment because they want to make sure I'm comfortable and that I remember my lyrics. And they're going to make sure that I give my very best. If I come in here and I sort of know what I'm going to do, we're going to come out here with a sure product of understanding what we're going to get across. So if I was to sum up my experience here, it's a good time, it's a professional time, it's a learning time. I'm going to come out of here better than I walked in.
Yeah. Sometimes you don't want to reveal your hand, but you've been on my mind, constantly running. It's like a marathon. You take me on a flight, I need to carry on. Got me up in the clouds, yeah, I'm feeling like. Just know I'm looking forward to seeing you tonight. You want what you can't have, it's a fallacy. Cause I'm about to make my dreams a reality. If opposites attracted, we are different polarities. You an air sign and I'm earth, let's call it gravity. I'm running circles, this centripetal force. Got my mind on the course that revolves around the source. High potential energy draws us to be an entity. Turns kinetic when we engage, and you got me in a daze. And am I caught up in your ways? Could be, but anyway, you intoxicate me with your gaze. Though it seems like I ain't phased, you got me having daydreams of embracing. Got me chasing what could be amazing. Yeah. Daydreams of embracing. Got me chasing what could be amazing. You put a spell on me like sirens, it's been revealed. Been kissed by your rose in the grave, you got me sealed. Played it off like it ain't a big deal, but I was just frontin' like Jay, I'm being for real. Stubborn as a Taurus, my heart has really been porous, but you slipped right through. Tried to, but can't ignore it. Adventure in this new territory, I'll explore it. Got me Indiana Jonesing for you, and I'm all for it. Euphoric, it's a feeling I can't deny. Probably cause you got me on a dopamine high. Fantastic fall, feeling like Johnny Blaze. And surely you ignited the flames, you got me in a daze. Pouring my court up in your ways. Could be, but anyway, you intoxicate me with your gaze. Though it seems like I ain't phased, you got me having daydreams of embracing. Got me chasing what could be amazing. Yeah, daydreams, embracing. Got me chasing what could be amazing. I'm caught up in a daze. Just wanna fade away with you. I feel like I'm in love with you. Why? Cause this could be so amazing. Anticipating, chasing, and I'm racing. Look, daydreams of embracing. Got me chasing what could be amazing. Yeah. Daydreams of embracing. Got me chasing what could be amazing. Yeah. Daydreams of embracing. Got me chasing what could be amazing. Daydreams of embracing. Got me chasing what could be amazing. Yeah. Daydreams. I know how I feel. Amazing. Yeah. That's daydreams.
Hey yo, send me your location, I'ma hit you back. I'm in the studio right now, I'm trying to make a track. And don't come call me with no bullshit, I'ma state the facts. I built you.
Hey everybody, I am David Sosa. I just have to say, working with Next Sound Studios is always two very important things: professional and fun. Most of the things all artists want and need, you're gonna get it here. So do yourself a favor, come be a part of the show.
Cause I've been living out of body. I see heads when they roll. Why they looking at the bro? They won't leave my ass alone. I've been living out of body. I see pain inside my home. Why I'm outside on the low? I don't know where I should go. Cause I've been living out of body. I see heads when they roll. Why they looking at the bro? They won't leave my ass alone. I've been living out of body. I see pain inside my home. Why I'm outside on the low? I don't know where I should go. Cause I've been living out of body. I see every move I make. Got my heart on display. Got these bitches thinking I'm paid. Got no money drugs or fame. I got heartbreak and shame. I got fake friends who fake M's for social media likes and trends. You don't do shit for news clips, I do shit to prove it. Therapists like, who's this? I called up, good news, bitch. Talking to myself like all night, we realized I'm alright. My medication caused separation, my headache if it cause of debating. And we know this, I was active when I was loaded. No connection, no focus, lack of performance and broken. I was hoping to be on up and up, smile back at all the what the fucks. But the man in the mirror wants to double back and just give up like what the fuck? I've been living out of body, I see heads when they roll. Why they looking at the bro? They won't leave my ass alone. I've been living out of body, I see pain inside my home. Why I'm outside on the low, I don't know where I should go. Cause I've been living out of body, I see heads when they roll. Why they looking at the bro? They won't leave my ass alone. I've been living out of body, I see pain inside my home. Why I'm outside on the low, I don't know where I should go. Cause I've been living out of body, I've seen everything I've done. I've seen my life like highlights, even though now I'm a low life. I don't get life, it's overhyped. I'm stuck in this moonlight. I do shit cause it feels right, but nothing in this world ever feels right. So it's NK, DK, little reminders go a long way. Pareidolia in the way, so I'm remembering not what they say. Day and night I live this way, pain constantly is in the shade. Fame constantly feels my pain, 1051 can keep me sane. And I know that, constantly I always hold back. Gun in the hand but no one knows that. No life for the blowback. Like fame, who the fuck's to blame for these thoughts I have? When I see myself I get sad. Cause I've been living out of body, I see heads when they roll. Why they looking at the bro? They won't leave my ass alone. I've been living out of body, I see pain inside my home. Why I'm outside on the low, I don't know where I should go. Cause I've been living out of body, I see heads when they roll. Why they looking at the bro? They won't leave my ass alone. I've been living out of body, I see pain inside my home. Why I'm outside on the low, I don't know where I should go. Cause yeah, ayy, 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 I've been living out of body. Yeah.
Kick it, go. See, I figured I'd come through, give y'all something to move to. Know what I mean? Yeah. We're gonna swing right, swing left on them.
Na 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 na. Every moment together, I wanna spend forever in your arms. I love you in us.
Darling, have you heard the word on the street? Word is, July 20th, LaMarco drops his 6th studio album, Word on the Street. Word is, it's a new sound, new bops, no skips. Best believe, word is.
I get too camera shy when you look into my eyes, baby.
Okay, word is, if you haven't seen LaMarco live, there is still hope for you. Follow LaMarco at LaMarco Music to never miss out on the word. LaMarco Music, July 20th, the word.
Yo, coming man? Hey, are you ready? Hey, are you ready? Get ready. Are you ready? Let's go. Are you ready? Hey, well get ready. Hey, are you ready? Hey, are you ready? Get ready. Are you ready? Let's go. All right. Face beat, hair's on fleek, and my dress is fitting right. I look okay. We showed up. It's 1:15. What in the music?
Got a machete the head of the snakes. Gidaba, yeah, gidaba, yeah, gidaba, yeah. Garangilu, wagia, gidaba, he go, gidaba, yeah, gidaba. Trying to eliminate all of the fakes. Gidaba, yeah, gidaba, yeah, gidaba, yeah. Sandinu, buguya, gidaba, yeah, gidaba, yeah, gidaba, yeah. Hey. Ayy, I'm the truest vet. Niggas, all they do is flex. Yeah, fuck, who is next? Everyone you knew is sex. With my newest set of lace lingerie that I do collect. I'm a fluid vet. This the level that you knew was next. He could do his best to stop the wave, but the drip finesse. What do you expect? All I do is bet. They ain't tripping who got bluest neck. You can stress, that still hit you at your bluest check. Got a machete the head of the snakes. Gidaba, yeah, gidaba, yeah. Gidaba, yeah. Rangilu, wagia, gidaba, he would, gidaba, yeah. Gidaba, trying to eliminate all of the fakes. Gidaba, yeah. Gidaba, yeah. Gidaba, yeah. Sanguinu, buguya gidaba, yeah. Gidaba, yeah. Gidaba, yeah. Side swipe a nigga when they coming at me sideways. When they violate, annihilate. Broken glass, baking soda when they buying it. Kind of play coming all kind of ways. Hunger games, caddies when it's time to slay. Time don't wait. By the way, curtains coming down. Guillotine style whenever your God moderate. Used to accommodate the rock by the way. I was trying to blaze, don't be trying to hate. Nigga, you're aware of my kind of way. Right up beneath, so good at me. RIP, I wanna put my airplane for the visa. Now it's black, yellow, white flag on sight. Got a machete to head to the street. Gidaba, yeah. Gidaba, yeah. Gidaba, yeah. Gerard, gidaba. Whoa, gidaba, yeah. Gidaba, trying to eliminate all of the fake. Gidaba, yeah. Gidaba, yeah. Gidaba, yeah. Sanguinu, buguya gidaba, yeah. Gidaba, yeah. Gidaba. The real busy, they can't harm me. Try to harm me. Spirit slates the flawless love on me. Garina gule, the rangilove, soon cut the lizaza. Mean I'm chillin', yeah. Team Kini Boonga used to them ain't Luma Gee, yeah. They can't take the glory I was born with. Ain't no leeway, not in it. Where you Luagu, where you I be rising. Soon cut the lizaza. Mean I'm chillin', yeah. Only sloppy when I hot tea, when I top me. Cause I got deep as a black diamond. Cause he 5 seat, I'ma get you together like it's Siamese. This touch kinda godly. My property is my property, and I got you, not me. I'll be fine peace with this fine piece. Then they ask me, is I being ya? Itarala, soon cut the leader da. Yeah. Gotta get it, yeah. Time to get it, yeah. Time to get it, yeah. Gotta get it, yeah. Garina gule, the rangiluve, soon cut the leader da. Mean I'm chillin', yeah.
It takes control as you lay in bed alone at night. Your temple is sin.
Hi, I'm LaMarco, and I want to say thank you so much for having me next time in studio. It was an awesome, dope experience. Not too far from where I live, and this set is awesome. Both of them. It was the first time I got a chance to perform 2 of those songs, and so it was a cool experience to perform live here. Thank you again, Will and Jason, for your professionalism and the quality. I feel very taken care of, and I felt very safe here, and the chat was awesome. So yeah, thank you for having me.
Can we go higher, baby? Listen, man on a mission, I got nothing to prove to you. I know what to do tonight. Yeah, no need for permission. With me, there ain't no rules. Just trying to make sure that the mood is right. Yes. See, girl, I got the candles right over the bed. I know what you're used to, girl, don't you forget. I know what you need, and girl, just elevate. Tell me what I do for you. Your own nigga set the bar, but I know I can take you higher. You said you was missing a spark, that's why I always bring the fire. See me and you be making love in the clouds. We be so high, we never coming down. All we do is go higher and higher and higher. I'm hot boxing with you, I want all the smoke. I know that the stroke got you on a high. I'm not stopping, it feel like we about to float. I know that you see it in your eyes. No fiction is addiction, got you coming back for more. We get high, I put it down like you never had before. Fill this room up with your moans and these smoke clouds with R&B music. Your old nigga set the bar, but I know I can take you higher, yeah. You said he was missing the spark, that's why I always bring the fire. Oh, see me and you be making love in the clouds. We be so high, we never coming down. All we do is go higher and higher and higher. We go higher and higher and higher. All we do is go higher and higher and
I wanna tell the truth and shame the devil, but if I do, they'll label me a fool or a rebel. Being woke bears its burdens, yeah, levels.
Hey, can I say that Naquasia, me, I have enjoyed myself with Next Sound Studio. You guys are so amazing, from the music to the interviews. I enjoyed myself. It's the most sensual, most I can't explain it. But this experience has been amazing. I love you guys. Thank you again.
Times forever, it's just dreams, but there's no love lost for me. There's no love lost for me. You and me, we had tension, the kind of make you want attention. I keep progressing is something I shouldn't mention. Avoided infidelity, but you voiced that I had keys without words. Combination was heavenly. Wouldn't have lasted if you insisted. I'd be lying if I told you I'm uninterested. One time I came close, but I resisted. Didn't hit and wreck your home, so I missed it. But only by your hair, let's be fair. Music was our love.
I've been thinking what type of way with my hit game. Is this normal? Is this normal? Blink if you seen or been in a drive-by. Blink if you been to funerals, seen homeboys and mamas cry. Blink if you ever been on food stamps. Blink if you seen someone do something and they told you not to do that. Blink if you been harassed or shot by police. Blink if a nigga gave you strap or crack and say a whole things. Blink if you was raised in LA school district. Blink if it's information you learned over the years, you might just do different. Blink if you think it's a gay agenda. Blink if you feel Pac was on point when he was talking about Brenda. Blink if you seen blacks get shot for nothing. Blink if you seen police get paid vacation over that punk shit. Blink if you tired of slave movies. Blink if you still feel enslaved and they just trying to hide our beauty. Blink if you think they program us with hate. Blink if you feel you something great. Blink if your dreams can't equate. Blink if you never got a fair shake. Blink if you get anxiety when you wake. Blink if you depression's at a high rate. Blink if your thought of thinking's irate. Blink if you think Trump's a tirade. Blink if you feel life is simple. Blink if you feel hella revengeful. Blink if somebody killed your kinfolk. Blink if you feel opposite of nympho. Blink if you feel opposite of nympho. Blink if you scared for your son, niece, and your nephew. Blink if you want somebody to help you. Blink if your blessings never fell through. Blink if you been around the hopeless. Blink if you ever slept with roaches. Blink if your friends don't see your dopeness. Blink if you heard people laughing out loud and wonder what the joke is. Blink if you feel that they laughing at you. Now blink if you never had a clue. If you blink 10 times and feeling some type of way, you might have PTSD. If you blink 10 times and feeling some type of way, you might have PTSD. If you blink 10 times and feeling some type of way, you might have PTSD. If you blink 10 times and feeling some type of way, you might have PTSD.
your boy Coney Brooks, the King of New York, man, and I gotta tell y'all, this experience here live from Next Sound Studios has been amazing. Very professional, a lot of great energy, and they really focus on the art here. So I'm more than content, more than happy, and I just can't wait for y'all to see what we put together, because it's definitely something special.
Never been lost for words, but I've lost the words to say. Crazy how this thing called love can take them all away. We've got a...
Darling, have you heard the word on the street? Word is, July 20th, LaMarco drops his 6th studio album, Word on the Street. Word is, it's a new sound, new bops, no skips. Best believe, word is...
I get so camera shy when you look into my eyes, baby.
Okay, word is, if you haven't seen LaMarco live, there is still hope for you. Follow LaMarco at LaMarco Music to never miss out on the word. LaMarco Music, July 20th, the word. On the street.
Forbidden fruit. Yeah. You ever wanted something you couldn't have? I have. I'm Adam, you're my Eve when I see you in the Eve. Taste of what's forbidden, now we hid it in the trees. No dignity, love the way you work it. Makes me wanna lay hands on you with oil and weak churching. I'm just trying to keep it bottled in, reciting songs of Solomon as you sit on the ottoman. And Bible talk, I wanna know you, but the ways he described this ain't hell, cause he is on demon time. Daydreaming, I'm overcome screaming in my head. Yo, why you scheming? This internal battle is enough. Stop believing. Forbidden only makes me want it more. Succulence is the draw. It's your forbidden, man. I shouldn't, but I wanna. Trying to control myself, but girl, I want you. You know I want you. It's hard to feel the way I feel, and then I want you. Nah, I can't deny. But if I give it to you, baby, I'm gonna. I'm gone, forbidden fruit, with just one taste that you supply. Love so good, send you to heaven, homicide. Temptations at an all-time high. Said you won't surely die, but that's a lie. There's no dumping that off this high. You offer to quench thirst after trapping me. You want my attention, I give it happily. Two ways this ends, either well or in catastrophe. You tease, you don't think that I'll make a move, but actually daydreaming, moral compass screaming in my head. Yo, why you scheming? This internal battle is enough. Stop believing. Forbidden only makes me want it more. The succulence is the draw. It's your forbidden, man. I shouldn't, but I wanna. Trying to control myself, but girl, I want you. It's hard to feel the way I feel, and then I want to. But if I give it to you, baby, I'm gonna. Gone, forbidden fruit. Resisting you ain't easy. Our mutual desire, it runs deeply. The tension in the room might transition to your womb. I try to be careful, but how I care for you presumes consequences of our actions of passion. Effects of a one-time thing could be everlasting. But all rational thinking goes out the door. Just know when I shouldn't, I want it more. It's your forbidden, man. I should, but I want you. I wanna. Trying to control myself, but girl, I want you. You know I want you. It's hard to feel the way I feel and deny. I want to. I can't deny. But if I give it to you, baby, I'm gone. Cause you're forbidden and I shouldn't, but I wanna. Trying to control myself, but girl, I want you. It's hard to feel the way I feel, and then I want to. But if I give it to you, baby, I'm gone, forbidden fruit.
We going up, shorty, we going in. Shorty hit tryna cut. I told shorty bring a friend. Shorty, you tryna win, or shorty, you tryna play. If shorty bout the bag, she do whatever I say. Shorty, we going up, up. Shorty, we going up, up. Shorty, we going up. Shorty, we going in. Shorty, get to the bag. I promise we gon' win. Shorty, we going up, up. Shorty, we going up, up. Shorty, we going up. Shorty, we going in. Shorty, get to the bag. I promise we gon' win. Shorty, we go.
Check out David Sosa's latest hits, beginning with Ocean Fire, featuring Livin. When that situationship is just too real, Toxic. Figure out what you want with Let Me Know. And can't forget that self-love with Laugh. Check out David Sosa's latest album, Journey to Love, available on all music streaming platforms.
Na 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 na. Every moment together, I wanna spend forever in your arms. I love you in us.
Got too drunk and forgot how to black out. I don't think I'll ever learn. I was dying to get to know you. Once I did, it was all over. I was dying to get to know you. Yeah. I was dying to get to know you. Once I did, it was all over. I've been trying to forget you with this bottle in my bedroom. I was dying to get to know you. Once I did, it was all over. I've been trying to forget you with this bottle in my bedroom. Things ain't what they seem to be. Queens will fall apart just like every other human being. I'm not one to start, but I took my chance peacefully. Shot it in the dark and ended up fucking hitting me. I'm bleeding out. She got a new man and kicked me out. Bought a new crib and flipped it out. She got me caught up and stressing out. I'm blessed I'm out, but I can't fucking lie, I'm missing now. She got me washed up and liquored down. I think I'm out of patience, but that's just an understatement. I was dying to get to know you. Once I did, it was all over. I've been trying to forget you with this bottle in my bedroom. I was dying to get to know you. Once I did, it was all over. I've been trying to forget you with this bottle in my bedroom. I know what this shit does to me. First I'll fall in love and get caught up in what's happening. Next I'll switch it up, showing off a new side of me. Then I'll fuck it up with these bottles, cause I'm hurting, please, I'm in need of help. Ain't nobody coming with a piece of spell. Can't nobody see when the demons tell. I don't wanna feel like I'm bleeding, still I'm in need of help. This is living hell. Y'all hear wedding bells, thinking beautiful and swell. I hear wedding bells as empty bottles on the shelf. I was dying to get to know you. Once I did, it was all over. I was dying to get to know you. I was dying to get to know you. Once I did, it was all over. I've been trying to forget you with this bottle in my bedroom. I was dying to get to know you. Once I did, it was all over. I've been trying to forget you with this bottle in my bedroom.
You came to party, party, party.
If you came to party, if you came to get down tonight, get down tonight, going live tonight, live from the NAC Sound Studio. If you tryna party and celebrate life, tune in the NAC Sound Studio tonight. It's live at 8 with the hottest in the state. So tell a friend you wanna take them out of space so they can unplug to a new level with different artists who take it to a new level. And you never know what you gon' get. And you never know what you gon' get. You might get rock or you might get rap. You might get R&B with the boom bap. You might get